Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Christmas trees are everywhere right now. In every corner of the street, in every shopping mall, huge trees are decorated heavily with stars and lights, and people come to see that very huge tree to witness its beauty, no matter which religion and background they belong to. Everyone is just mesmerized by the beauty and charm of these Christmas trees. These trees add such a sparkle and glow to the dull streets and houses that the children, grown-ups, and elderly hearts are all lighted up. But have you ever wondered what the connection is between the Christmas tree and Christmas? Is there any mention of including trees and decorating them for the Christmas celebration? If not, where did it come from? What about the wreath that is hung on doors to show the pleasantness of Christmas? Does it have anything in relation to Christmas? Today in this video, let's try to understand the meaning and origin of the Christmas tree and how it has now become a prominent figure of Christmas. So without further delay, let's delve into the video. The origin of the Christmas tree. Have you ever wondered what kind of tree people use for Christmas? Maybe not. They are evergreen conifers. Most people find these trees in the northern and southern hemispheres, but surprisingly, they don't grow near Bethlehem in Palestine. But Bethlehem is the birthplace of Jesus alayhi salam. So how come the Christmas tree does not grow in the area where Jesus was born? This is due to the Christmas tree's association with paganism rather than Christmas. Ancient Egyptians, Chinese, and Hebrews all used evergreen conifers, wreaths, and garlands to represent everlasting life. Tree worship was widespread among the pagan Europeans before they converted to Christianity, and the Scandinavians used evergreens to ward off the devil by decorating their homes and barns at the beginning of the year. Christmas has its origins in paganism. Hence, some traditions assert that the Christmas tree derives from old pagan customs in which individuals adorned their homes with evergreen trees during the winter solstice to symbolize life and renewal. Another account of the Christmas tree's origin asserts that the Germans initiated this tradition. The decoration of an evergreen conifer originated in Germany, where it was featured in theatrical performances. To reenact the biblical narrative of Satan deceiving Adam and Eve into consuming the forbidden fruit, participants decorated the tree with apples. Germans would often display paradise trees as house decorations on December 24th, the religious feast day commemorating Adam and Eve. Originally, they hung wafers to symbolize redemption, but eventually, cookies of all shapes and sizes took their place. Candles were a common addition, symbolizing Christ as the world's light. The Christmas pyramid, a triangular wooden structure decorated with a star, evergreens, candles, and Christmas figurines, was also in the same room. The Christmas tree, a hybrid of the Christmas pyramid and the paradise tree, emerged in the 1600s. This occurred much later than the inception of Christmas itself, which was also a pagan ritual. This means that the Germanic people shaped Christianity in part by incorporating pagan practices such as vernishing of trees and their ornamentation of symbols of protection from evil and eternal life. The triangular shape was especially chosen to represent the Holy Trinity, and the evergreen aspect of the tree became a symbol of perpetual life later on. Originally, hanging on the tree as a protection from evil spirits, Christians' decorations took on new meaning, such as candles symbolizing Christ's light. In short, the prevalent Christmas tree and wreaths were originally sacred to pagan religions, and the Germans appropriated them for use in plays and skit depicting the fall from grace of Adam and Eve at the hands of Satan, which later was added as a part of Christianity. Wow. Does that imply that Christians in the Western world at large are engaging in practices that are contradictory to Jesus and Christianity, returning to pagan practices? Many Muslims are so excited about this Christmas tree that they bring it inside and decorate it with lights and stars. The Christmas tree is a symbol of paganism and the sin of Adam and Eve. However, Muslims do not pause to investigate the origin of the Christmas tree and regard it as a pleasant tradition. There are numerous Muslim parents who engage in arguments and debates regarding the prohibition of maintaining a Christmas tree at home and decorating it for the sake of their children's enjoyment. They are unaware that the act they are committing with such negligence is a violation of the fundamental principles of Islam, as it entails adhering to the rituals of the pagans whose foundation was shirk. What does the Bible say about this ritual? The majority of individuals are aware that only a small percentage of Christians read the Bible and follow its teachings. However, even this small percentage disregards the Bible verses that explicitly prohibit engaging in the activities of pagans. The Bible explicitly prohibits cutting trees and decorating them in the manner of the pagans. These are the verses of Jeremiah 10:1-4, King James Version, where it is written to not cut the tree and decorate it with the silver and gold as the heathen used to do. The term heathen is used to refer to either non-religious person or a pagan worshiper. Number 1. Hear ye the Lord, which the Lord speaketh unto you, O house of Israel. Number 2. Thus saith the Lord, learn not the way of the heathen, and be not dismayed at the sign of heaven, for the heathen are dismayed at them. 3. For the customs of the people are vain. For one cutteth a tree of the forest, the work of the hands of the workmen with the axe. 4. They deck it with silver and with gold. They fasten it with nails and with hammers, so it does not move. Is this not clear enough? Keeping a Christmas tree and decorating it has nothing to do with Jesus or his birth. Bethlehem lacks the evergreen conifers commonly used for Christmas trees. The Bible makes no mention of felling a tree and decorating it. The Christmas tree and wreaths have pagan roots. The pagans worshipped them. Later, the Germans made a symbol of the tree of paradise from which Adam and Eve ate the forbidden apple. Finally, the Bible itself tells its followers not to cut down any trees and decorate them. Hopefully, after reading this, Christians will reevaluate the Christmas tree adorned with gifts and decorations that sit in the corner of your home, and Muslims will cease involving their children in such ceremonies that threaten their faith. That's all for today, dear viewers. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.